YouTube. I'm finna do the B.Lou and DDG Brinks truck music video that just dropped yesterday. I ain't do it yesterday, but I'm finna do it today. So here you go. Let's get into it. I don't know if it's up. It's up. Hey, I like beats like that on Munch. That shit with them pianos and shit. Oh God, that shit be fire.
Walking out look like a leak. Walk on that bitch with a bitch. Look at the money I blow. I'm full, I'm never on heat. Selling the drugs and codeine. I'm in this bitch with a deep. All of my diamonds on fleek. Yeah.
They done robbed the Brinks truck, man. Hell no. But my thing is, how you gonna rob somebody not masked up? Yeah, I caught.
You know my bitch is a lead. First class to Dominican, sipping on mama wine with the cinnamon. Bitch, I be big ballin', no drip, but she only get too nice, we ain't into me.
Hey, DDG snapping on that beat. On God. On mom, what I was finna say before that though? Oh, I would say somebody, it ain't that easy to rob no Brinks truck. It ain't finna be that easy the way they doing it. Hell nah. But DG snapping on that bitch.
Only fuck twice, that's discipline. Said I'm a bad guy, but I'm innocent. Bitch, I'm a millionaire out of Michigan. Shh, cut the beat off, niggas listening.
This nigga done whispered on our ass. Shh, cut the beat off. Done whispered, goddamn.
Broke niggas don't fuck with me.
They done cuffed his ass up.
Love me. Whisper to her like you fucking me. But ain't no way that you cuffing me. I cannot fall in love with you. Versus money, I don't fuck with you. Give a fuck what you going through. MOE, bitch, my bills is due.
Man, that damn Glock fire as fuck. Ooh, that be nice on God.
Brinks trucks out the front door. 6 figures each month, bro. Told y'all I was gon' blow. I made a fire rack each video. I need
6 figures each month, nigga. Shit. God damn.
quick racks, need a speedy. On top of more millions, cause I'm greedy. And she keep on texting me because she needy. I told her I ain't see the text like I'm Stevie.
He slapped his ass on ball, fired off on his ass. Oh God. But robbing a Brinks truck, bro, it's not that fucking easy, my nigga. It's not that simple, dog. They should did a little more in-depth tour with that, for real. It's not that easy. But we finna go on ahead, you know. Y'all know. Go on, y'all don't know, but shit, I know. B.Lou finna come on that bitch and wreck too. On God.
All of my killers on feet, ain't really been getting no sleep. I had to keep in my league. All of this money like Brinks truck. RP that actually look good in the moonlight. I don't like.
I guess shit. But salute the X like he, you know what I'm saying? RP the X on mom.
Just to get my move right. I ain't never been a whole life. Purple drink on a long flight. I spent 100,000 for it, yeah, you know my drip nice. We run together like some two socks.
He said we run together like some two socks. Hell no. Man, he patted his ass with that hoe. He didn't even slap him. He patted him with that bitch, that damn gun. How the hell you gonna? Alright, my bad, y'all. I had interruption. You feel me? God, dog. But yeah. Oh, what I was about to say was, how the hell you gonna be smiling during a fucking robbery? How you gonna smile? Sitting there laughing and shit. That shit's supposed to be serious. Not play, it's supposed to be serious.
Niggas at the gym be hopping the farm. Walking, I look like a lead. Fuck with that bitch with a bitch. Look at the money I blow. codeine. I'm
Hey, that right there, that damn hook fire on mom. That hook fire too, real shit.
in this bitch with the lead. All of my diamonds on fleek. Yeah.
Hey, they even took off in that hoe. They took off in the Brinks truck. Hey, no.
You know my bitch is elite.
Hey, that shit fire. Oh, mom. All 1K did they shit. Okay. Okay, then all 1K. I fuck with it. B.Lou, DDG, all 1K. Yeah, I fuck with it. Long way, strong way. Oh, God. Oh, God. That shit lit, real talk. But yeah, that shit lit on God. Now all these niggas DDG need to drop right now, bro. His next song need to be with Queen. He been playing that song since fucking what, October, November. Him and Queen been playing around with that shit, man. Oh God. But yeah, that's wrap up the video right here, man. I'm finna go ahead and dip. Come at y'all with another video later on or whatever. You feel me? Right now, I'm out.